Hi, in front of me is Xiaomi POCO X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can disable notifications from chosen apps. First of all, you need to tap on Settings, then scroll down, choose Notifications and Center Control, then click on App Notifications and select one of your apps, for example Gmail. Now when I click on the switcher next to it, all notifications from this app will be disabled. You can turn them back on by clicking at the same switcher. You can also tap on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!